Hello, taco lovers. According to Lika, the secrets of the world's happiest people, money is one of the six keys to happiness. And so today I'm going to show how to make a inexpensive meal. We're going to have Frito Pie, or since this is a taco channel, we're going to have a walking taco, which is we're going to put the Frito Pie in a bag of Fritos. So, inexpensive meals can be a powerful tool for promoting happiness, and they provide more than just nourishment. They offer a sense of satisfaction and well-being. Cooking a simple, affordable meal at home allows you to take control of your nutrition while also being mindful of your budget. Preparing a meal from scratch gives you the opportunity to infuse it with love, care, ooh, it's a little warm, and attention, which can elevate the entire experience. There's something deeply fulfilling about knowing you've created something wholesome with your own hands, even if it's just a humble walking taco. My mom would make Frito pie for us when we were growing up all the time. Because it was simple, it's quick and easy to make, and it was very cheap. She would do it with 2 cans of chili, some cheese, and a bag of Fritos. So all told, nowadays, less than $10. Pretty good meal. Not the healthiest thing. So this time I decided to make my own chili instead of using canned chili. Okay. What we got here? Walking tacos. You know what? I'm gonna have a little bit of sour cream in mine here too. Now, moreover, cooking a budget-friendly meal fosters connection when you share it with loved ones. Okay? A shared meal has been proven to improve mental health and strengthen relationships. It's a small, meaningful gesture that can bring about immense joy. Plus, knowing that you're able to create something delicious without breaking the bank can reduce stress and provide you with a sense of accomplishment. All right, give this one a try now there. Let's see. It's got sour cream, cheese, chili, and Fritos. Oh, a little bit. That's really good. Now, another thing that you can do to build happiness while still keeping your budget in mind, saving money, is to establish a free fun fellowship. That's a group of friends that get together and take turns planning outings and get togethers that are inexpensive. So maybe someone decides to take everyone to a free concert in the park. Someone sets up a board game night, someone has a potluck, something that's very cheap for everyone to participate in, but still have a lot of fun and friendship. To make this chili in the slow cooker, I browned 1 pound of ground beef, added 2 pounds of diced tomatoes, 3/4 of an onion sliced, chopped, and then 3/4 of a cup of pinto beans that have been soaked overnight. I also put in 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, and I added salt and pepper. Okay, put that on low for 3 to 4 hours, and voila, you've got your chili. Comes out great. To make your walking taco, just get a bag of Fritos, add in some chili, some cheese if you like some sour cream, maybe jalapenos if you still want it more spicy. You've got it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. You can also let me know if there's any other tacos you'd like to see in the future. Have a great day.